spoke about anti-inflammatory foods. Let's start with that.
It's difficult for me to prescribe aloe vera juice because
I was actually working at a cancer hospital, and I think the main difference that we could see was when I would work with a nutritionist and we would change their diet.
कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल और हाई ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स ये दवाई नहीं काम करने वाली है.
In the patients that I have seen and in India in general, we don't understand the concept of being fit. If someone's trying to lose weight, what are 3 ways that they can lose weight in a sustainable manner?
Right now, we have got amazing statistics with
One industry in our medical practice which is completely filled with misinformation, it has to be the food industry. And our today's guest is on a mission to change the way we think about food. Khyati Rupani was a former chief nutritionist at Leelavati Hospital and has helped more than 75,000 patients in their journey to fitness. Let's dive in to learn more about food. Hi Khyati and welcome to the Body Talk.
Hello Radhika, how are you?
I am all good. You tell me, how are you doing?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yeah. So what's going on these days with you?
These days, सच में शुरू करूँ. It starts with my daughter's admissions. She's still giving boards. Then at office, there are a ton of new things happening. There's Ramzan diets that's going on. There is a lot of new R&D happening on anti-inflammatory foods. और बता दूँ, holiday की planning.
So now you spoke about anti-inflammatory foods. Let's start with that.
Yes.
What exactly do you give or suggest in these foods?
So Yaya Balan has made sure that every Indian household knows that name. But as a dietitian, since the beginning of time, okay, हम anti-inflammatory diets ही देते आ रहे हैं. So what is inflammation? आप गिर गए, okay? You get a scratch inside. If there's something not right, correct? You will get some sign which may not be speaking loudly, but going on थोड़ा indigestion, acidity वहाँ से शुरू होता है, little ache, little pain. Then you will see some blood values going little hawa. Inflammation is nothing but that, and I believe that the foods which are seasonal, easy peasy कर दूँ, seasonal, local, okay, and fresh. अगर ये डाल दिया, हो गई anti-inflammatory. But I am battling with people now जो बहुत ज़्यादा inflame होके आ रहे हैं. Okay, the stages of disease management नहीं, disorder management भी पार कर चुके हैं. Okay, for them we have to do some R&D, and right now we have got amazing statistics with moringa, drumstick powder, which is जो leaves है ना, हम पता है touch नहीं करते. So these are those drumstick leaves जो पेड़ है अपना.
Correct.
Second best wheatgrass. Third best turmeric. Fourth best ginger, and fifth best aloe vera.
Aloe vera, I think, has too many benefits, right? But for gut health, elaborate a little bit more on this.
See, even I honestly am a little, it's difficult for me to prescribe aloe vera juice because A, we won't end up making it at home.
Correct, exactly.
B, यार पता नहीं वो प्लास्टिक की बॉटल में कौन सा एलोवेरा घर आ रहा है with acidity regulators, because aloe vera has a very short life. So what I do is I tell them to start using the aloe vera which is available even in online vegetable markets as the leaf itself.
Okay.
यार उसका जेल निकाल के ना उसको थोड़ा सा पीस के गर्म पानी के साथ पी लिया ना, you're good to go. I know everybody says, oh my god, poisonous होगा तो, but trust me, it is far better, and the chances of something which is let's say poisonous is nil. Mumbai mein, okay, when you have, or rather anywhere in the world, okay, anything that comes home has gone through various amounts of at least manual checks कि भाई ये poisonous तो नहीं होगा.
Correct.
But the bottle has not gone through checks ना.
Correct.
वहाँ तो आपके preservatives है, regulators है. So more than helping, I think it's harming.
Correct.
So I'm absolutely not a fan of that. And also when it comes to aloe, I'll tell you, we have many clients who are Indians living in places जहाँ ये होता नहीं है and abroad.
Correct.
So वहाँ पे भी थोड़ी limitation आ जाती है. In that case, I avoid it altogether. So guys, there's no need to take aloe vera juice if it's coming out of a bottle.
So Khyati, you now have close to 75,000 people registered with your balanced nutrition. Yeah. Tell me the 3 most common reasons because of which they come. Like,
अगर मैं आपको bifurcate करके बताऊँ, the health concerns most of them come with. thyroid, diabetes are topping charts. Okay,
Correct.
and everyone is acidic or constipated,
Exactly.
all right, or is bloated.
Correct.
Okay, just because I am somebody who's reversed PCOS, you will find thousands of people also come just seeing the case that ये dietitian ने खुद PCOS beat करा है, वो देख के we have a lot of PCOS also. So these are disorders, and I think my videos made a lot of difference because I kept telling them that cholesterol and high cholesterol or high triglycerides ये दवाई नहीं काम करने वाली है, you know, high sugars में भी दवाई नहीं काम करने वाली है, it's lifestyle. So I think the videos made these kind of people come in, but yeah, because of my clinical background, so label लगा ना Leelavati Hospital Chief Dietitian.
Correct.
Most of them also come because they think that because she was in the hospital, okay, and fortunately or unfortunately 90% of my team is also into clinical dietetics. तो हमें clinical cases ही आते हैं, in fact cancer cases भी आते हैं, chronic kidney diseases, liver disorders, we have a ton of them.
In fact, you know, I was actually working at a cancer hospital for more than a year, and I think the main difference that we could see was when I would work with a nutritionist and we would change their diet, because cancer patients often cannot have solid foods.
Yes.
Often they're undergoing some or the other blood transfusions. They need protein because their immunity is so low.
Yes.
And I have seen visibly how good nutrition can actually completely change their lives. What do you suggest to cancer patients?
See, cancer patients are of many kinds. There are stages which are initial, where there is weight to be battled also, and so you've just got to know you have, say, stage 1 or stage 0.
Correct.
Okay, and you're 80 kilos.
Correct.
Okay, in the span of your treatment you are going to lose a little bit of weight,
drastically,
but stage 1 and, you know, stage 0 mein,
Yeah.
you might not have that much.
Correct.
You know, you might not even have to go for radiation.
Correct.
Chemo se ho jata hai, right? And even the hair, it grows back really fast. So my cases with 0 and 1 are nice. I put them on a diet which is balanced in protein,
Okay.
but at the same time thoda fiber, so that
Of
you
course.
know the ill effects of all the chemotherapy thoda niche, you know, just, and
Correct.
a lot of hydration. I think wahan pe that settles. Now comes stage 2 and stage 3. By then they have already lost 7-8 kilos. Most of them have lost muscle,
Yeah.
and most of them have lost appetite.
Correct.
Now these are guys जिनको radiation भी लगता है, and जब radiation होता है ना, the food has to be not infected, which means we say no raw देना है. Don't give anything raw, and don't give anything cut. So they will get a banana even if it's raw, but banana जो पूरा packed है, जो sterilized है, जो जाके उनके bed पे ही खुलेगा.
Basically because they're more prone to infections, so you have to avoid it through
Yes,
food.
you can't have a
Exactly.
small microsome which is there on it.
Exactly.
It can aggravate. तो ये हो गई हमारी ये किस्म की डाइट, where we are
Correct.
protecting that person so much. उनका खाना भी अलग से बनता है, sterilize होता है, उनके बर्तन sterilize होते हैं, उनको खाना नीचे से दिया जाता है, where everything is packed. Now comes the worst stage of cancer, where all this is gone. You can't really eat. So then comes your RT, and then comes your PEG feeds. They are something I generally take a lot of interest in, because I feel that baki sara to the dietitians can take care, but here is where I feel somebody with an experience plays a big role.
Absolutely.
So that is per ml, yeah. Every ml, the doctor
is
says na,
significant,
every
yeah.
ml I need 2 grams of protein going in.
Exactly.
And that is the biggest challenge I like taking up. So
Okay.
my favorite used to be, see, they can't taste, okay, so please ulti mat kar dena, but my favorite is a fruit like papaya, which is papain, and you know, it can help digestion too, and it can just cool down the system with the fiber.
Correct.
उसके साथ resource,
Correct.
okay, पेप्टामेन या जो भी मुझे लगता है कि बस प्रोटीन कंप्लीट करेगा, and whole milk. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So just imagine, I've reached my protein, I've reached my fat. At the same
And
time,
the fiber.
I gave some real food, yeah.
Exactly.
Varna powder, kya? Come on. So I always am somebody who will insist कि यार कोई fruit puree डालते हैं इसमें.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it worked. Those recipes are still used in Leelavati.
Really? So tell me a little bit more about your experience at Leelavati, and how that shaped you as a nutritionist today.
I think that 1.5 years shaped a lot in terms of clinical nutrition, in terms of the exposure. 325 bed तब था.
अभी तो 500 I think. Yeah.
I don't know, yeah, touch wood, but it was 325, and at 23, imagine you get. And when I was there, पता है वो 26/7 हो गया था. I was there that time.
Okay.
And I've seen how people deal with stress, how people deal when lives are lost, how people, today I'm going to a patient all hail, hearty, happy, okay auntie kal aapko ye bhej दी हूँ, auntie happy if I see a discharge, unhappy if I see auntie is no more.
Yeah.
So I think that shaped me a lot.
Exactly. Tell you, Khyati, I think there's another problem in the patients that I have seen and in India in general. We don't understand the concept of being fit.
Yeah.
We want to be a particular size because it's considered attractive.
Yeah.
But nobody will ever say that, hey, I want to lose weight because I want to be fit.
Yeah.
You know, and even I have seen patients who are like 80 kgs, 90 kgs, visibly breathless after just, climbing up 4 or 5 steps. Even then, they don't want to.
Yeah.
Only when do they want to lose weight? Oh, abhi I have to start looking for a guy. ये
हाँ.
शादी होने वाली है.
Majority are that.
I think majority is that. But why do you think? Tell me from your experience with your clients. Why is this not an understanding there?
So I'll tell you, I don't know why, but I hate exercising even now.
Okay.
So after 40, I'm
Hmm.
supposed to be weight training.
Correct.
I force myself twice a week. I am now going to the gym. Okay. And that
Yeah.
also, let's go. Let's go.
Hmm.
So as a culture,
Hmm.
okay, we were never taught to make fitness like other countries a part of our lifestyle.
Correct.
मेरे लिए ना वो एक headache है life का.
Hmm.
Second, in India, I know in every culture, but in India ना food is related to everything. तो देख हमारे पास कोई recreation नहीं है. हाँ, हम कोई skating करते हैं नहीं. हमारे पास कोई seasonal sports है नहीं. हम ski करते हैं क्या? हम कुछ नहीं करते. हमारी तो कश्मीर and the Oli and all those ski भी फिरंग ही आके करते हैं.
Correct.
Very few Indians know even how to tie that ski.
Correct.
ठीक है. So as a culture, we are seeing a lot of recreation in food. करे क्या?
Malls जाएंगे या restaurants जाएंगे? Because
Yes.
और कुछ है नहीं.
Picture जाएंगे. Picture में
Correct.
क्या कर रहा है? बैठ रहे हैं
कौन
दूसरे.
Correct.
So
Exactly.
I feel it is a cultural fabric which was this way. But देख अगर 2 generation के पहले के cultural fabric देखोगे ना तो शादियों में ना हम ही खाना बनाते थे.
Okay.
चाचा मामा ही सर्व करते थे.
Okay, yeah.
केटरर नहीं आता था.
Correct.
Remember?
Correct.
2-3 aunties होती थी जो they had these uncles and aunties who had that arms to
correct.
But everything else if you see was even in our temples लंगर लगती थी. सेवा हम ही so physical labor करते थे और local खाते थे.
Exactly.
है ना? Portion में खाते थे क्योंकि community eat हो रहा है.
Correct.
यहाँ पे physical labor नहीं है. अब देख machines है सब जगह. Right? The laddus had their place in our life because A वो seasonal होते थे. B यार ठंड में ना सनसेट के बाद कोई खाता नहीं था बिकॉज अंधेरा हो जाएगा खाने में मच्छर गिर जाएगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती थी. करेक्ट. सो वो हाई कैलोरी लड्डू एंड नेक्स्ट डे कपड़े धोने हैं बॉस, खेत जाना है, ओके झाड़ू निकालना है, आटा पीसना है. सो वी वर अ वेरी फिजिकली एक्टिव. प्रॉब्ली दैट्स व्हाई हम शायद एक्सरसाइज एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर रिक्रिएशन नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज मेन एंड वुमेन बोथ वर टॉयलिंग. करेक्ट. ठीक है. आई फील दैट हिस्ट्री हैज चेंज्ड ट्रेमेंडसली. हमने वो सब छोड़ दिया. फाइबर निकाल दो, रेगुलर लोकल खाना निकाल दो. अब तुम लेके आए हो प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, अब तुम लेके आए हो घर में रेडी टू ईट, अब तुम हिल नहीं रहे हो. व्हाट द हेल विल हैपन? करेक्ट. आई फील दैट इज द सिचुएशन वेयर नन ऑफ अस आर एबल टू do anything about it. In fact, पता है just before our podcast you were telling me कि I know aunties इतनी हनी डाल रही थी. It is also because I'll tell you हम ना एक level of portion पे आ जाते हैं, उसके बाद suddenly you say calorie deficit. I know people love that word, but trust me calorie deficit राधिका is very difficult for somebody who's 80 kilos. मुझे पूछ यार, if you tell me to stop, I used to even when I was losing weight मैं 2 बाजरा रोटी 3 बाजरा रोटी खाती थी. That's a lot of food, yeah. So an 80 kilo cannot be told calorie deficit में चले जाओ. No. Then I find rasta. How do I find that rasta? Correct. I'll give you a big bowl of watermelon first because that 100 calories are going to come from itna. As against 4 badam. Of course, absolutely. तो यार तू 4 बादाम खाएगी 100 कैलोरीज आएगी. Suppose और अदरवाइज यू ईट दिस. सो एक मोटे की साइकी समझनी है कि साइकी समझो, खाना दो उसे.
So but Khyati, there are so many options, smart right options available, but I believe there's also so much misinformation regarding food that's ongoing. So people don't understand what to do, who to understand, who to follow. So I'm sure even the people that you are currently enrolled, people enrolled with you, how do you guide them in this?
So Radhika, I'll tell you what सबको पता है. Everybody knows that sugar-free biscuits is a joke. Everybody knows कि यार फैट फ्री कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, सबको पता है. बट अगेन आई टोल्ड यू राइट, इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट टू रिफ्यूज टू अ मिठाई. तो अगर अब मेरे पास एक ऑप्शन आ रहा है कि ये शुगर फ्री मिठाई है, आई विल जस्ट blindly want to believe that, tell myself हाँ ये तो ठीक है, तो मुझे 2 खा लेने चाहिए, and I want to get rid of my guilt. Okay.
Correct.
So I believe that instead of some tell as a dietitian ना मेरे मुंह से ना नहीं निकलता है. Okay. Like I always say, suppose if I tell you Radhika, you know what, don't think about chocolate. और इस हफ्ते तो टच नहीं करना. Radhika is going to do it thrice. Because the no is so difficult for the human brain.
That's basically just the psyche. Correct. Exactly.
Otherwise, Radhika was going to go without chocolates for the whole week anyway.
Exactly.
But मैंने वो trigger मारा saying no.
Hmm.
So in my life, we don't have a no. Okay? बहुत ज़्यादा craving हो रही है, ठीक है? 2 bite खा लो.
Correct.
And I say start with 4 bites. Okay? You like a samosa? Human size, not Rakshas size. 4 bite खा के खत्म करो उसे. Okay? You've got the satisfaction. You've got very less calories and पूरे समोसा खाने का गिल्ट भी नहीं.
Correct. So basically moderation.
Hormones भी शांत.
Correct.
ठीक है. Moderation I think comes in when you are going out. Samosa is out and out. I can classify it as bad. है ना?
Yeah.
Like pastry.
There's nothing good in it.
Pastry I can classify it as bad. In fact पता ना एक रील चल रही है, वड़ा पाव में 9 ग्राम प्रोटीन है, खाओ.
अच्छा. Yeah.
एक डॉक्टर ने बोला है, and I had to write about it on LinkedIn कि please stop it. I mean वड़ा पाव ट्रांस फैट पाव क्या कर, एंड सबको पता है कि वड़ा पाव में नहीं है, बट जिसको बिलीव करना है, like today I'm craving, I'm in the weakest of my zones, I will go and buy the वड़ा पाव ना. मैंने just सुना इंस्टा पे, तो चलो ठीक है. What we do is there are certain foods which are big no, उनको हम bite rule में चले, we put it in bite rule. But
okay.
Now tomorrow if you're going out for Chinese, so how do I who want to lose weight deal with Chinese? ठीक है, मेरी secret बता देती हूँ. I will first order for a portion of soup. मेरा soup clear soup होता है. फिर वो तुझे जो पीना है. You want veg? Go ahead. You want chicken? Go ahead. You want crab, meat, whatever, but clear soup पी ले and don't share that soup.
Correct.
हाँ? Yeah. After that, order for a portion of veggies, like it can be in any sauce. Okay, mixed veg, Hunan sauce, you want Szechuan sauce, order that. And then order a rice or a noodles. And for that, smile if you're pretty to the waiter. If you're not pretty and if you're having a bad day, you say पैसा extra ले ले. But मेरे में 50% veggies done.
Correct.
And I I sometimes say देख अच्छा नहीं आया तो मैं वापस भेज दूंगी. It has to be the way I'm saying. So give me 50% veggies, correct, make it 50% noodles, and look what I did.
Correct. So basically you've reduced the calories and you've also eaten what you wanted to eat.
Exactly.
More like a balance that you're filling the stomach, or you're having your calories with the right foods, right? So basically at balanced nutrition you don't teach them calorie counting or those other things. Okay.
There's no calories, there's no timings.
Okay.
There is let's say what else people do? Measuring and weighing food.
Oh, crazy.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Even in fact these days people have become that cynical that kitna protein dal rahe, supposing they're making something at home, everything is in measured cups, you know.
2 महीने से ज़्यादा ना, it doesn't work.
I think that is the problem. Even gym memberships, when we see, they'll start in Jan, by I think February, March, 80% are done. You know, they do not go to the gym because that's the motivation.
Yeah.
But then later they don't because it's not sustainable.
It's not sustainable.
Yeah. So if someone's trying to lose weight, what are 3 ways that they can lose weight in a sustainable manner?
Don't say no to anything. Don't be a stickler of time. Okay, and if you are someone who is a late riser, don't change that. Don't become an early riser to eat at 7, because your body is not going to take it. Healthy, unhealthy is another story. Okay, that is an ideal life, ideal world. Wow. नहीं हो सकता यार. I am somebody who is who grew up in a Gujju. I'm a Gujju.
Correct.
तो गुजराती कभी लाइफ में ना ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करते.
Correct.
We are tea khakra people. Okay.
It's not just about Gujaratis. In fact, Indians in general
don't
at first will not be having it. But now, because of these breakfast cereals, the other cornflakes, muesli, granola.
That is, if you want me to open up about that, इसके बाद वो बता दूँ.
That has just come up.
Yeah. It was told and it was fed into our systems. We always had 2 meals.
Always, yes.
खेत जाने के पहले.
Correct.
Okay. अगर it's summer and it's a long day, तब the wife would go taking only basic carbs.
Correct.
वो भी because he has to toil. Millet roti लेके जाते थे.
Correct.
It never used to be with wow a ton of other food. It used to be just that roti in a potli. Go feed, have water, come back.
Correct.
Okay, and रात में before sunset used to be the last meal of the day. That is why I'm a big fan of, again one word I'm introducing, intermittent fasting. I am a big fan of that. But टाइमिंग्स जितना चाहोगे ट्राई करो, बट वो होने वाला नहीं है. अगर आप 7 बजे 8 बजे भी खाओ, वीकेंड में क्या करोगे?
Exactly.
फिर वो सैटरडे संडे की जो सर्ज होती है ना, वो कभी निकलती ही नहीं है.
So, you know, two things I want to talk about. So, as a doctor, both sugar and cholesterol, rich foods, are, I believe, going to be the next epidemic. In fact, they are already being.
They
right?
already are.
They already are. You know, so if you were to teach someone how to understand कि कौन सा cholesterol rich food है, कौन सा cholesterol not that it's okay, you can have it, it will not affect your cholesterol. How do you teach someone?
No, you had kept cashews. मैंने 2 काजू खाए, and generally everybody gets scared of kaju because it's high cholesterol. सुना है?
Kaju is, I don't.
But you're a dog.
Correct.
You're a dog. But Janta thinks its nuts are very high in cholesterol.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But cholesterol is not present in any plants.
Correct.
So any oil is cholesterol free. तो तुम इतना पैसा देके, you know, एक film star आएंगे, they'll spend money in marketing, and they'll give you a 200 rupee oil per liter वाला into a 600 rupee.
Correct.
That 400 is the marketing they do, but it was by nature only cholesterol free. So we are fooled over there.
Correct.
Now you bought it thinking it's cholesterol free. अब तुम्हें नहाना है उसमें. फिर अब पकौड़े बनेंगे, फिर पुड़ियाँ बनेगी, and then you'll be like, what the hell is wrong with me? Why is my report come ऊपर नीचे? So first is understand that whether it's olive oil, whether it is coconut oil, anything that is coming from plant, groundnut oil, okay, it has 0 cholesterol.
Correct.
But blood reports में I explain this way that LDL triglycerides देखे हैं, VLDL देखे हैं, that is your oils. Correct? Most of your values go haywire because of the, so vegetarian का देख triglycerides high होता है.
Absolutely.
In my
Marwadis and Gujaratis always will have that.
In my 10 years, that is my thing के मतलब मुझे पूछना नहीं पड़ता veg non-veg. I just say veg. Yes, veg.
Yeah. Food companies are doing such a, you know, they are doing such amazing marketing that it's very
and
hard.
India में कोई regulation नहीं है. So what we do is I explain that cholesterol is an animal product.
Correct.
So your dahi has cholesterol.
Yes.
Because it's come from an animal. Like कितना है? That's my job. You don't have to worry. I say. रसगुल्ले में cholesterol है? हाँ है. काजू कतरी में cholesterol है? नहीं है. Because it's kaju. It's sugar syrup. And there's no milk, बच्चे.
In kaju katli.
No, can you believe it?
Oh, okay.
It can pass as vegan also.
Okay. Never made one. Okay.
So and तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि वो थाली को ग्रीस घी से करता है? नहीं, वो डालडा से करता है.
हाँ.
डालडा भी वेजिटेरियन फैट है.
Correct.
So cholesterol is an animal byproduct only. So non-veg में cholesterol है. So I think एक cholesterol and fat की चक्कर खत्म. जो ज़्यादा non-veg या ज़्यादा डेयरी लेते हैं, ज़्यादा full fat डेयरी लेते हैं, ज़्यादा. I'm not saying ideal. I'm saying ज़्यादा. So जो ज़्यादा लेते हैं, they are the ones who will find their cholesterol levels shooting through the roof.
Understood.
Now let's talk about sugars. Okay.
Yeah.
Sugars में हमारा सबसे बड़ा confusion है, हमको लगता है जो शक्कर है is sugar.
Correct.
हम डेट शुगर को शुगर नहीं मानते,
हनी को नहीं मानते, मेपल सिरप को नहीं मानते, जागरी को नहीं मानते.
हाँ.
Exactly.
Blanket rule, ये सारा sugar ही है.
Exactly.
ठीक है? Everything is sugar, right? So whether it is any date syrup, whether it is khajur, whether it is kishmish, whether it is any dried fruit जिसको dry किया है, apricot, all of it is concentrated sources of sugar. Dietitian होना, दिवाली पे sugar free मिठाई आती है. This is all, the sugar free मिठाई is all अंजीर and khajur and nuts. काजू कतरी is lower in calorie than that. My sugar free मिठाई. तो किसी को नहीं समझ रहा है कि confusion का है, but confusion ये है guys कि हमें खाना है मीठा, तो हम रास्ते ढूंढ रहे हैं. But correct. Point blank, anything that tastes मीठा is मीठा. It's going to have the calories, it's going to have the sugar. संभाल के खाओ. At least be aware when you're eating it. Doesn't mean because मैंने sugar free बोला है तो तुम 4 खा लोगे. that's what a mentality of a person is,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
मेरे को नुकसान नहीं कर रहा है, let me do more.
I think this is also happening because now there are healthier options coming up and they claim to be healthier, and so people snack on it like, you know, it's the best food in the world. So basically, I believe the food companies
हाँ,
have really played
Yeah.
with the mind of the consumers.
yeah,
And that is one of the leading reasons why India में obesity is increasing.
हाँ,
Diabetes के तो हम capital हैं ही.
yeah.
So now in blood pressure, everything is rising. I think it's because of that.
Also, I'll tell you, there are reports. Heinz ketchup, the Heinz ketchup that is available in UK, okay, least preservative, higher amounts of tomato paste, lower amounts of sugar.
Yeah.
Heinz India, highest amount of preservatives, grade 2, grade 3, highest amount of sugar,
Correct.
very low tomato paste. Kit
Hmm.
Kat, Kit Kat abroad and Kit Kat in India.
Hmm.
Kit Kat abroad, high cocoa, okay,
Hmm.
lower on fat, good quality cocoa. Kit
Hmm.
Kat here, disgusting cocoa, high amounts of fat, high amount of sugar.
Hmm.
So इंडिया को एक डंप मार्केट ही समझ के रखा है. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल इवन विद वर्ड्स लाइक शुगर फ्री. मैंने शुगर फ्री बोला, डिड आई से इट्स फैट फ्री?
Absolutely.
डिड आई से इट्स कैलोरी फ्री?
Hmm.
मैंने हेल्दी बोला, डिड आई से इट इज डायबिटिक फ्रेंडली?
Exactly.
Did I say it's friendly for an overweight diabetic?
Like, food is such a misunderstood industry.
Easy to get away because there are no
Okay.
regulations in our country.
Okay.
Okay, कोई डॉक्टर देखो आके नहीं बोलेगा ये दवाई फ्री फंड में ले लो. Is anyone going to name a tablet and say ये ले लो guys, इससे आपकी कोलेस्ट्रॉल 100% खत्म हो जाएगी? No, nobody's coming and saying that.
Correct.
Food is something where everybody can come, shit on us, go, say something. We are there to clean it up.
Exactly.
It's easy. It's easy to just get away. There is no regulation. कोई कुछ भी बोल ले, and unless they are getting trolled.
Understood. At least I've started doing is cooking my own food majority of the times.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Best
But that
practice.
is not practical for a lot of people. If we
Yeah.
talk about, say, IT workers or people working in big MNCs, they majority have a sedentary life.
हाँ.
Lunch they'll mostly have at the company, or you know, they will eat something that is cheap on Zomato. So tell me something. What can such people do? How are the 3 or 5 ways how they can make their lives better with food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So first is, see, they have long jobs. Okay.
Correct.
The hours are great.
Correct.
Now most of them live with their families. So उनको खाना मिल जाता है. But a majority of youngsters, they are, I think, relocating to Hyderabad. They're relocating everywhere.
Yeah.
I always insist कि breakfast ना hot plate से भी बन जाएगा. So we have clients who live alone abroad also.
Okay.
Right. And वहाँ तो यहाँ Zomato, Swiggy है.
वहाँ
वहाँ कोई नहीं है, उनके मम्मी
Yeah.
डैडी, and the dollars and the pounds
Yeah.
keep increasing. I wish यहाँ भी महंगा हो जाए तो at least वो बंद तो हो जाए खाना इतना. But I recommend cooking simple things. I also recommend कि you know what, हम आज का खाना कल नहीं खाते टाइप्स बहुत है इंडिया में. रेफ्रिजरेटर नहीं था यार तब, इसीलिए बोलते थे. Now we have refrigeration, so people don't understand that when you refrigerate, you're not losing out on much. It's already cooked food.
Correct.
Okay, even if it's a salad, if you ziplock it, it's better than eating crap outside.
Absolutely.
Right. So easy prep is what I encourage doing. Okay, it's like, so रात को मैंने बोला oats, overnight oats बना लो. Okay, overnight oats सुबह सुबह एक ठंडा ठंडा अच्छा अच्छा खा लिया, एप्पल के साथ थोड़ा मिल्क डाल दिया. I am not a big fan of nut milk and all. अगर ये मिल्क हजम होता है तो please use it. Then what I tell them to do is, if they're non-vegetarians, अंडे बॉईल करके रख दिया करो. At least एक अंडा खा के जाओ. What happens is वो egg white एक जो अंदर गया, it reduces the need and the
hunger spike it reduces.
Basically,
protein.
yeah, I see that person doing better.
Correct.
Then I say that don't wait till lunch. Okay, एक smoke break लेते हैं, तो एक apple break तो ले ही सकते हैं.
Correct.
है ना?
Very
So now
practical.
everybody I see are eating an apple, or I say okay चलो छोड़ो, take a chana break. Sutta break, chana break. So eat some chanas, do whatever you have to do, and instead of smoking and having a coffee, have a black coffee or have a green tea. Now comes the lunch. In a cafeteria lunch, it is always safe to stick to green salad, chash or dahi, whatever's there. Take rice and take a dal. Don't take rotis and don't take sabzis. I know many of you jump on the sabzi because अच्छी लग रही है, paneer matar. That is the worst thing to pick up. Okay,
because
still,
of the oil that it's
oil
cooked in.
and gravy. Yaar,
Absolutely.
but there's no sabzi.
Absolutely.
Okay, it's just a mush and I don't know, taste ka pool hai.
Correct.
Oil and fat.
Yeah.
But I generally mostly tell them to avoid, and dry sabzis also I'll tell you. पकाने में बहुत तेल जाता है. So अगर आलू गोभी ड्राई खाता है ना,
हम्म.
तो आलू और गोभी दोनों फ्राई करी होती है,
Okay.
प्री फ्राइड.
Okay.
या दे रन थ्रू अ ऑयल, ऐसे ऑयल बैच एक फ्राई करके निकालो ताकि वो गल ना जाए, वो ऐसे
Okay.
मुड़ी हुई ना दिखे, उसका कलर थोड़ा.
Okay.
या सो ड्राई सब्जीज आल्सो आई नो a lot of us order that, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because we think that's the healthier route.
Better, but I must be as a dietitian informing you that वो भी fried होती है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, again, you're aware.
Yeah.
So you won't say, अरे वाह आज तो मैंने आलू गोभी मंगाया, I did a great job.
Correct.
ऐसा नहीं है, you should know.
Correct.
And मीठे में भी अगर कस्टर्ड हो तो ले लो, नहीं कस्टर्ड हो खीर हो ले लो, बट ये गुलाब जामुन एंड ब्राउनी एंड केक छोड़ दो. That's it. अब जाके शाम का point, which is the most difficult part.
Exactly.
Please order a dry bhel. है ना? And जो चटनी डालनी है डाल. If you're putting chutneys, don't put the same.
Correct.
Okay, and have a big bowl of it. Have your
Okay.
chana, have your sing. रात में बीवी, मम्मी या कोई तो है, कोई नहीं है तो जोमेटो में मसाला खिचड़ी है, मसाला खिचड़ी में तड़का मना करो and have it with a bowl of dahi that is there in your house.
Okay. But in all of this, I believe the mindset plays the most important role. Because unless you are not fully convinced, okay, no, I have to eat healthy,
Yeah.
I want to lose weight. What is that one mindset shift that is required?
So whenever someone is knocking at the doors of Balanced Nutrition, either on Instagram or on WhatsApp or on our website, the first thing we do is we ask them, what's up? Why here today? What is the discomfort?
Correct.
Right? So the discomfort is, oh, I'm not able to walk now. Oh, I'm getting too much acidity. There is a precursor to what is happening, but then there is hichak. Okay? Oh, नहीं कर पाऊंगा यार, कर पाऊं. So we just make sure that every step of the way there is comfort provided.
Correct.
यार नहीं तुझे कुछ नहीं छोड़ना. We even have an alcohol guide राधिका.
Okay.
I like wine, so I'm like कैसे मना कर सकते हैं? And किसी को कभी सुना है मना करके किसी ने रोका? Okay, so we make 3 large. First into 2 large.
Okay.
Then into 3 small.
Correct.
Then into 2 small. There's a way to deal with it. Can't say no.
Correct.
Okay, and again we are not here for perfection. So I think that's what I feel encourages them rather than us or any of our teammates pushing them into, hey listen, you need to do it. No, there has to be one trigger and one motivation that is required.
And if they really want to make a change
Yeah.
in their food routine at home, how should they start so that they are motivated and can sustainably follow it?
Correct. So what they have to do is, first of all, they have to stop following every single foodie, recipe wala and nutritionist without the degree on Instagram.
Correct.
Okay. या influencers who've lost weight themselves. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि they have become dietitians.
Exactly.
It takes us 7 years to become a qualified technical clinical nutritionist. So come on, you first इनको unfollow करो. Second, एक nutritionist पकड़ो, कोई भी. It can be Khyati, it can be anyone else. Follow what she is saying based on hearing her videos.
Correct.
उसके videos सुनो, तुम्हारे साथ resonate होता है क्या ये? Follow her. Try a bit of the daily tips she is saying. I get a lot of people coming up to me. Abhi last month we were in Dubai for a week, so we had a lot of events. There were so many, Radhika, who are not my clients, but said they followed me for 2 years and have lost 12. Which then I asked कि कैसे? Saying बाकी सारों को unfollow कर दिया.
Correct.
एक ही बंदे का सुना.
Correct.
Degree वाले का. I think that is the easiest way to do it, because कोई भी generic, a Muslim eats very different, a Sindhi eats very different, Marwadi eats very different. I think that's what we should do.
Okay. So basically, remove the clutter.
Yeah.
That is, I think, the most important. And then home cooked meals.
Try at least and
Yes.
use refrigeration. Yeah, use freezing. Karo. Come
Correct.
on.
So if they had to swap, say, a
हाँ.
pizza
हाँ.
to something,
हाँ.
say Chinese to something,
हाँ.
on a day-to-day basis,
हाँ.
what should these some things be?
हाँ. Pizza swap मत करो यार. Instead of having the whole pizza, order for it's Italian. So
Correct.
order for a Caesar salad, dressing on the side. थोड़ी सी ड्रेसिंग लेके पहले सैलड खत्म कर ले. सेकंड, घर में ना दाल, दही, राजमा, छोले कुछ तो होगा, फिर वो खा ले. उसके बाद 2 slice pizza and you're done. Instead of figuring the whole pizza out in your stomach. Better. Okay. So these are the smart tips you should do, which is ideal plating.
Okay. So now we're talking about making home cooked meals, right?
हाँ
But one thing as a doctor, I truly believe in protein is the way to go.
हाँ
You know, for your muscles, for your immunity,
हाँ.
for your recovery, everything, protein is required.
Hmm.
How can people incorporate good protein in the diet?
As an Indian, we
Hmm.
were never a nation or a race that ate enough protein.
Correct.
Let's stop it. Having said that, does a vegetarian diet not have enough protein? Again, that is rubbish. जो बोल रहे हैं आपकी दाल में प्रोटीन नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. सेंचुरी से हम वेजिटेरियंस ही थे. इनफैक्ट आज बहुत एथलीट्स वेगन हो गए.
Correct.
They are not even touching dairy.
Correct.
They are still up.
Correct.
So let's not bifurcate as मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन हूँ इसलिए मैं मसल बना सकता हूँ. मैं no, the component of fat and the component of simple carbohydrates in your diet is what will kill you. Okay, अगर आप प्रोटीन खा रहे हो लेकिन आप पूरा टाइम फिर उसको पास्ता खा रहे हो, मैदा खा रहे हो, that protein is going to go down the drain.
Correct.
So what I recommend is उसको ना ज़्यादा let's not make it a big deal. Okay. You have to find smart ways. Did you know that khichdi is a complete protein, Radhika?
Because dal and rice together.
So yeah, so एक में lysine नहीं है, एक में methionine नहीं है, दोनों को combine करो, it is a class 1 protein.
Correct.
Okay, and if you pick up North India से लेके South India तक, you will find these combos.
Correct.
Curd rice, okay, idli, dokla, dosa, okay, fermented chillas, दो दाल मिक्स करेंगे, उसमें थोड़ा सा ये लोग रवा डालते ही है. Okay.
Correct.
So it is your cereal pulse combination that goes through and through, including your Bengali meals, including your meals in Assam, including every part of the country. Along with it, उसके साथ fiber हुआ करता था. So we were not a nation that ate, let's say, 1 gram per kg body weight protein, but we were always eating 0.8.
Okay.
अब we are eating 0.6.
Correct.
Tell me why? Because pasta खा रहे हैं हम. Okay, we are Maggi में क्या protein है यार? So now what we are doing is, okay, I'm not going to change my base diet. I want my pav bhaji, I want my pani puri, zero protein. But now to fix my protein, I will take a protein bar. Correct. Protein bar पीछे घुमा के calorie तो देखो यार.
Correct.
ठीक है. So protein bars also, the way they are advertised, great. But nobody is realizing that 350 calorie का protein bar is like your full lunch. तुम्हारे एक दो फुलके, तुम्हारा इतना सारा सैलेड और कचुम्बर, तुम्हारा कढ़ी, तुम्हारा सब्जी एंड तुम्हारा एक ग्लास छाछ, सब उसके साथ आ गया. So it's either this or that. Correct. Right? So and the nutrition is the same. I'll go for this. More real.
Correct.
But if you are somebody who is not able to get your protein, 1 gram per kg body weight खाना ही चाहिए. So if I'm 59 kilos today, I'm having to have 59. I'll be very honest, मेरे से नहीं होता है क्योंकि I'm not somebody who is capable of eating so much.
Correct.
So I now have started way, but you'll be surprised, digest ही नहीं हो. So you have to also be very mindful whenever we are suggesting it, whenever we know that इसके ऊपर इसकी capacity नहीं है खाने की और, we suggest a way.
Correct.
But we go easy. We make the gut ready.
Correct.
अब ये है तेरी प्रोटीन की कहानी.
Yeah.
That दो, but थोड़ा संभल के, and trainer cannot tell you the. And by the way, trainers को targets होते हैं.
Can you elaborate on that?
So every allied services, a trainer has a target. So if you have a 3-month personal training, the gym has given a target of 2 lakhs to the trainer. That ये महीने आपको 2 lakh income देनी है gym में.
Okay.
तो वो आपको training के लिए push करेगा. वो आपको supplements के लिए push करेगा. So this is how the industry works.
But no, this is something that I didn't know, that even trainers are being
और
given
क्या?
targets and everything.
तो वो personal training क्यों बेच रहे हैं आपको? वो spa क्यों बेच रहे हैं आपको gym की?
Interesting. Okay. So one way is to understand their protein and have it, you know, in bits and pieces. How many meals on an average do you advise to people?
See, again, it's something that to each his own. Okay, I am somebody who can't eat more than 2 meals.
Correct.
कुछ भी कर लो. I have formulated my life around that. We have clients back there who eat every 2 hours. We don't want to change that.
Okay.
यार एक habit change करना at 30, 40, late 20s is not easy.
Okay.
As much as possible, we try to stick around that, and we try to formulate एक practicality दिखाएं, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा changes लाएं. मुझे सिर्फ OMAD का चक्कर पता नहीं है क्या है. I mean, 1 meal a day क्या होता है यार? People are promoting it a lot, and weight loss हो रहा है. Obviously होगा. You know, how can you इतनू सा stomach, okay, इतनू सा हमारा liver, इतनू सा हमारा pancreas,
Exactly.
What havoc are we creating by stuffing tons of food in one go?
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
in fact अगर उसे compare करो तो जो हमारे ancient, I'm talking about the stone age, तब वो बंदा क्या होता था, the man that time used to have, उसको he was a scavenger.
Correct.
3 दिन में एक बार खाना मिलता था, but अब हम ऐसे नहीं है.
Correct.
Right? We need periodically, we need
Correct.
food periodically.
Scientifically, it is a given that one question I have, can you, which I don't think many people talk about, is grocery shopping. How does one understand कि अच्छा ये fat free है, but this is not good for me? So can you tell those 2 or 3 tricks
ठीक है,
that someone जो shopping कर रहा है वो कैसे समझे?
ठीक है. Suppose healthy मखानास ले रहे हो 250 रुपए वाले, थोड़ा पास में जाके लेज की पैकेट देखो, सेम वेट, मल्टी करना,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे it will be 540, लेज will be 510.
Correct. Correct.
Simple. Okay.
Correct.
Second, if you read ingredients and if you cannot understand more than 5, okay, di-oligosaccharides लिखते हैं, whatever you don't understand, less is it. If it's more than 5, keep it. Don't buy it.
Correct.
Simply biscuits also, sugar free, high fiber. मैरी है sugar free, high fiber, जाके regular मैरी देख लेना. Regular मैरी will have lesser calories.
Correct.
So
you know the same with Maggi. The normal Maggi, and then when you compare it with the atta noodle, आप कैलोरी अगर देखेंगे, if it's not the same, थोड़ा ज्यादा ही है.
I know.
आटा noodle. Exactly.
See, atta. So I tell you why refined food is so popularized. उसको ना preservatives, I can't say preservatives कम लगते हैं. Let me put it as उसके preservatives काम करते हैं ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
So the shelf life of a product without any atma, okay, is 2 years. But आटा मैगी कभी घर पे लाके दे, you will open that चार का packet, and if you use one, और फिर 15 दिन के बाद ना it'll start smelling little.
Okay.
That's because it has some real food. Okay.
Correct.
आटा है.
Correct.
Right. So आटा उसकी भी एक shelf life होती है. Look at the climate around us. That is the problem. But I'm surprised that certain things like mayo and all जो 2 साल की shelf life है यार. 2 साल की shelf life मतलब पेट में कैसे जाए?
Exactly. So, Khyati, now we are at the final segment, and this is going to be a rapid fire. So let's get started. Fermented foods versus probiotic. What's better for digestion?
Fermented foods. Why? Because probiotics खरीद के अगर कुछ आने वाला है, which is from a packet, I'd rather have my probiotics in the foods which are going to do good. Now again यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी debate है कि सारे probiotics मर जाते हैं तब तुम steam करते हो.
Correct.
Okay. But let me tell you, it's not the case. When you eat it, your enzymes produced in the intestines calls for that bacteria to grow all over again. So I don't believe in that rubbish क्योंकि हम probiotics सालों से fermented food से ही लेते आ रहे हैं. Okay. अब क्यों तकलीफ हो रही है? Because हमने वो खाना बंद कर दिया यार.
Correct.
हम सोडा डालते हैं, हम ferment होने ही नहीं देते इडली को.
आप 2-3 probiotics बता सकते हो जो घर पे easily कोई कर सकता है.
छाछ, okay, दही, and I like making cheese out of दही. दही को टांग दे, okay, उसके बाद ना उसमें 1 स्पून, like 100 ml of दही टांग लिया, 1 टीस्पून चीज स्प्रेड डालो, थोड़ा सा नमक डालो, चिली फ्लेक्स, हर्ब्स जो डालना है डालो. That's my go-to spread. So it's a probiotic rich spread where all the fat is gone, all the processed stuff is gone. It's yum. It is low in fat also and high in protein.
Interesting. Second, now May is going to come. March is already here. Mango season आने वाला है. So how can someone have mango or amras in the most guilt-free manner?
चलो, जो mango है ना, एक mango एक apple same calories. Surprised?
Yeah, that I am.
Okay, it's the same calories. The only reason why mango is a big no is because as dietitians we were very lazy back in the day. हमें नहीं बताना आपको कि यार आम रस मत खाना, आम खीर मत खाना, आम पापड़ मत खाना, आम मिल्क शेक मत खाना, आम बर्फी मत खाना, आम रबड़ी मत खाना. Mango on its own is great. So I make sure that every day clients eat mango. A diabetic के diet में भी हम 3 slices mango डालते हैं with 2 walnuts. Okay, it is, you know what is mango? My God. Carrots मिलते हैं तुमको winter में. Carotenes in the body winter में carrots पूरे करता है. Carrots चले गए तो carotenes कहाँ से आएगा? Mango is the richest in carotenes, beta, alpha, whatever you want to say. It is something which is so rich in natural sugars जो तुमको गर्मियों में चाहिए. In between your meals, one mango guilt free is
perfectly okay.
Hmm.
Between meals means between breakfast and lunch,
Between
mid
breakfast and
morning,
lunch.
between
Okay.
lunch and dinner, snacks.
Snack. Okay.
Food के साथ मत करो उसे add.
Okay. Understood. Tell me something. Women over 40 should have these 3 foods
हाँ,
daily.
calcium,
Hmm.
iron
Hmm.
and protein.
Correct. So a few calcium rich foods.
दूध, dahi,
Hmm.
छाछ and ragi. Please include ragi in your diet.
Hmm.
Protein also comes from there. Egg whites, lean chicken is
Hmm.
great, lean fish is great. Soya is great. I don't know why everybody hates it, but probably we are not used to the palate. हमको वो पसंद नहीं है palate.
Which, according to you, is the healthiest cuisine?
Indian या फिर आप
जो भी आपको सही लगे, healthiest cuisine, basically.
healthiest cuisine में ना I would say any गांव की cuisine.
Okay.
So if I am saying South Indian,
Hmm.
तो I'm taking you to the गांव of South India,
Hmm.
जहाँ ना ये मोटे चावल है, जो ब्राउन राइस जैसे दिखते हैं.
Correct.
जहाँ
Hmm.
ना उन्होंने अगर सांबर बनाया ना तो वो मसाला पीस के बनाया.
Hmm.
It's not refined. उनकी इडली जो होती है ना वो हम जाके खा नहीं पाएंगे. Because we'll say, इससे तो मेरी मुंबई की इडली अच्छी है. But then that is made using healthy. Same way if you go to the villages in Bengal, you will find that their rice and their fish curry is very different.
Hmm.
उनका 5 फोरन मसाला with all your pumpkin veggies is great. राजस्थान में कभी चल, उनके गांव का खाना खा ले. So anything that is still in our gaons is the healthiest cuisine.
Okay. Correct. So tell me something. You know we've spoken about this, but breakfast cereals or no breakfast at all.
No breakfast at all.
Correct.
Okay, and if you're used to breakfast and if you don't have time, I take oats as a midway.
Okay. So polished rice versus unpolished rice.
Unpolished any day.
Yes.
Brown also, guys, it does not have any phytochemicals which will kill you.
Hmm.
Fiber है, ठीक है यार.
Diet Coke versus a regular Coke. Diet Coke.
हाँ.
Simply because 20 odd tablespoons of sugar is there in
ये
regular.
लोग बोलते हैं but आज तक किसी ने ना कोक और पेप्सी का फॉर्मूला डिकोड नहीं करा है. Exactly, but the deal is, you know what, it's either this or that. You're not choosing an apple and a mango.
Correct.
Right? You're choosing crab and more crab.
More crab. Exactly.
So choose the crab.
Correct.
Leave
Exactly.
the more crab.
So Khyati, for the last question, if you had to give one golden mantra for somebody who really wants to understand food and make the correct food choices, what would that be?
खाने को ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो, खाने को सिंपल रखो. You also know what's right. Try just doing it.
Thank you for being a part of the Body Talk. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting conversations. Also, keep listening to your body because it does talk. Thank you.